Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use affordability calculator on Zillow. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, the buy, rent, sell, we have home loans, find an agent. In the top right corner, we have the manage rentals, advertise, help, your profile, and here we have the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use the affordability calculator on Zillow. First of all, go to the Zillow website and navigate to your affordability calculator. So first of all, do that, go to your, of course, profile and find the calculator. After that, input your annual income before taxes. Include any monthly debts you have, such as car payments, student loans, or credit card payments. Enter the amount you plan to put down as down payment. You can also adjust for property taxes, homeowners insurance, and HOA fees if applicable. Then click the calculate to button to see how much house you can afford based on your input. The calculator will provide the estimated of the home price you can afford and the expected monthly mortgage payment. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.